Hi everyone, this is the York electric power washer. This is a great little compact unit. It works wonderfully. It's got a 20-foot electric cord that comes with it and a 33-foot wand cord. It also comes with the wand, 4 spray tips. It's also got a quick disconnect to remove that and attach a foam cannon too that comes with the kit. So it makes it very versatile, and it's just a great compact little kit. I've already used this on some really tough grease. I'll show you how it works and how easy it comes off on our tractor that's been baked on for years. The kit also comes with spare O-rings, the instruction manual and assembly manual, and it also comes with a tip cleaner. It also has a reel on it for the hose that comes with it, and it is just a really versatile, nice unit. What I really like on it is the long extension cord to keep the power source away from the water. And on the back you have the hose connection for your city water or whatever water system you're using. And on the front is where you connect the hose onto and connect the wand onto that. Like I said, this is 2,000 PSI to 4,000 PSI, and it's just adjustable just like that. Super simple. Turn it up, turn it down. On-off button is right in the center. You just push that, push it off, and it shuts down the machine. All right, we got the hoses hooked up. Now to put the tip or choose the tip you want, just pull back the sleeve on the quick connect, push in your tip that you want, and there you go. All right, like I said, all your tips are on your wand. You have different degree of tips. The red one is just going to be a flat stream, 0 degree, and then the green one will be 25 degree, and the orange one is 15, and the white one is 40 degree spray pattern. So you can see that this is the wider spray pattern. Now before you turn it on, you need to turn the water source on. You want to make sure that the motor does not run dry. You want to make sure that water is going through it, because it will actually heat it up just like anything else that requires cooling. Okay, so first thing you want to do is make sure the water is gone all the way through the hose and everything in the motor, and then just simply push the button and it's already pressurized. All right, if I want more pressure, I just dial it up to max, and that's going to be 4,000 PSI, and down here 2,000 PSI. So we'll go ahead and put it mid-range-ish, and we'll go to the back of the tractor here and get rid of some of that old baked on grease. As you can see, it just takes it straight off. It's not a problem for this unit at all. It does a great job. We're going to try to remove some paint on this door. We're going to be repainting it, so I'm going to go with the 0 degree nozzle, and that'll be a straight stream. As you can see, it's very effective at doing that as well. This is a great little unit, so if you're looking for a great little power washer, I would definitely suggest the York. We're super impressed with it. One thing to keep in mind when it is freezing conditions, you do need to drain the hose every time and make sure this machine is winterized if it's below freezing conditions. So thanks to York for sending this machine and letting us give it a try. We appreciate you watching.